We finally made it to Melbourne! But before that, here's a quick rewind. Last night, we stayed at a cozy little inn in Wodonga. Simple, quiet, just what we needed before the big drive. And since it was Easter Sunday, we attended a beautiful mass to reflect and celebrate. Then came the 3-hour drive to Melbourne. Family convos, chill music, and just soaking in the views. First stop, the infamous Brighton bathing boxes. We missed it last time, but finally got to see them up close. So colorful and fun. Then we caught up with Team Abakita in the city, walked around, had dinner, and of course, ice cream to end the night. That's day 1 in Melbourne. More adventures coming soon.